Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it. And you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. We're going to show you how you can roast a nice, lovely Christmas chicken, guys. Tips and idea. This is a massive chicken, as you can see. I just wash it off with some lemon juice. But basically what we're going to do, we're going to marinate it and get it soaked. And what we're going to do, we're going to bake it inside of the oven for 1 hour. So guys, hopefully you like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and please leave your comments. It's amazing to do these kind of chicken. So first of all, let's go into business with the chicken. This is a chicken. I just wash it off. I'm going to put 1 red onion down inside of the stomach. Just like this, guys. I want you guys to see exactly what I'm doing right here. This is the red onion inside of it. Nice one. And also I got some spring onion also, which we're going to use. I have some oil. There's a lot of stuff which we're going to use on this chicken today. This is a Christmas roast chicken. So right here, first of all, put some olive oil on it, just like that. That's some olive oil. Second thing, I have some spring onion. This is spring onion. Nice one. Right here I have some ginger, which we're gonna put also on it. That's the ginger. And second thing, I got some fresh thyme. Just to get the fresh thyme. They say that the fresh thyme is the best way to do it this kind of way, guys. Lovely and nice. Second thing, I have some garlic, which we're just gonna put them into pieces and put them on it just like that. That's the garlic. Nice and lovely. So I want to simply say to you, this Christmas, guys, you have to be careful or you're going to be marinating your chicken and seasoning your chicken. You have to season it right and proper way to get in the flavor with all of the meat. Remember, you have to marinate the chicken from early just to get it right and proper way. That's white onion. Nice and lovely. Simple, we're gonna put some seasoning. This is some chicken seasoning. Then over the chicken on its big belly. That's chicken seasoning. Paprika, give it a lovely color. The only thing I like with paprika is the paprika give it a nice lovely color. Put some paprika down inside of the stomach. There's a lot of paprika on it because what happened now, the paprika give it a nice lovely color. This is some garlic coriander season. You can get this at any local shop to buy, supermarket. Put some down in the stomach. Nice and lovely. As you can see, exactly where Chef Ricardo is all about with this chicken too. Really nice. This is some chicken season. Some in the stomach. Nice and lovely. As you can see. Really nice. As you can see, guys, that's just beautiful. Put a little bit of coarse pepper. We got some tomato. We're gonna put some tomato also inside of it. This is some potato. Just some potatoes. Really nice. Basically, as you can see, I got some butter, unsalted butter. I'm gonna rub all over it. So we're just gonna rub up the chicken like this. Let's get it marinated, guys. Ah man, this is beautiful. Push on the tomato down his stomach just like that. Ah, that is excellent. So as I can see, we are about with this nice, lovely chicken for Christmas. Just to get it marinated up the right and proper way and get it seasoned up. So right here, guys, as I can see, we marinate the chicken, but the beauty is we're gonna put it inside of the oven for 1 hour. But before you do anything, please, I'm asking you, make sure you marinate the meat and make it soak really good, even for 2 hours, just to get it really properly soaking, nice and lovely. As you can see right here, you don't need to add any salt or anything else on this chicken. All you need to do is right here is leave it for it to soak for 2 hours. After 2 hours, then you can put it inside of the oven. So now right here, guys, as you can see, that looking so lovely and nice. Preheat your oven, gas mark 9 is good. Or if you're using a different kind of oven, you can use 175 for 45 minutes or so. Medium size heat is good. Slow cooking meat like chicken like this is really good. So guys, enjoy the recipe as we're gonna put this in the oven for 45 minutes. Gas mark 9 is good. Look at the chicken inside of the oven, guys. Just looking fantastic. The color, everything is just perfect. Christmas roast chicken. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely, guys. I just finished the chicken and look at it. Really nice and beautiful. 1 hour and 10 minutes inside of the oven. As you can see, looking so lovely and nice. And it's a Christmas roast chicken recipe, guys. Hopefully you guys will enjoy the recipe. As you can see, 1 hour and about 10 minutes I got it inside of the oven. Perfect roast, as you can see, with some broccoli and some plain rice. They did put roast potato on the side, but that's fine. So hopefully you guys will like the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments. Hopefully we can come up with some better and best recipe for 2016. Roast chicken in your oven at home. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. See you next time. Bye bye.